Okay, so we're going to do this a little different than the directions said. What I want you to do is, first of all, copy angle 1. Now keep in mind that an angle, I'm not telling you how long to make the rays. You can make them as long or short as you want. Maybe a little shorter the first time. Okay, and then we're going to slide it over to angle 2, and we're going to make a triangle out of it. Okay, so all that I've really asked you to do is make sure that you marked these two angles, that you get these two angles to be congruent. All right, we're going to call this triangle TUN, and we're going to do it again, but this time I don't want to make the rays the same length because I'm not putting any restrictions on the lengths of the rays. So maybe I'll make them longer this time, a little longer than what I see here. Okay, then I'll slide it over again, and then I'm going to have to make a triangle out of this, so I'm going to make sure I get this corner. Again, this corner had to be congruent, and then I need to extend this ray carefully so I get another triangle. We're going to call this triangle WAY. All right, and now my question is, how are these related? Just by making those two angles congruent. Okay, well, let me move this kind of out of the way. That's really hard to see. Let's try it this way. Here was the second triangle. Here was my first triangle. If you go around, you can match up those two angles. Well, look at that. Those two matched up because I made them match up. And then up here, those are going to match up as well. So it appears I made similar triangles. Okay, now please answer, after you do that, please answer the questions.